Hey, I got sent over 50 foot of 10,000 watt lumen lights here. Construction string light. Got a little tent out here in the backyard, and I'm going to try to run it down this center piece. I'll show you that in a moment. But right now, we're going to get this opened up and check them out. It says it uses 90 watt total power. IP65. Let's get it opened up and check them out. And then we're going to get them put up, and then we'll look at them tonight. Like some pretty heavy duty wire. They've got little hooks on each one of these lights, it looks like. These look pretty nice, y'all. Kind of nice that they come with these little hooks, though. That's cool. Anyway, there's 50 foot of lights here. Don't know if I need to take it all the way out for you or not, but there it is. There's a paperwork for them. Let's get the ladder out here. Let's get them put up. Okay, this canopy, tent, whatever you want to call it, is 30 foot long. So I'm thinking if we go from here to the center, all the way down the center, down on that other end, go back that way. Keep the lighting back here, because that is the front there. Each end has a plug on it. Your male end is on the other end, and you can tie in more of these, plug it in right there, and keep it going. If you've got a big shop or something like that, or a larger area, and keep them going. I've got some string here. We're going to try to use this and see how well this works. Start getting it up there. The cool thing is all we got to do is just kind of basically make a loop, because those have those hooks on them. You know, if I was going to leave this all the time, you could buy a little bit bigger and just hook them right there. Then you can slide them. Of course, we'll be able to slide them anyway, so that's not a big deal there. And these are not heavy, so you don't really have to make that extremely heavy duty. There we go. Okay, I'm not going to bore y'all. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here and get these put up, and you see how I'm going to do it, and we'll see what it looks like when I get done. And then we'll see how bright it is tonight. Just noticed each one of these has a twisty on them. We could use the twisty instead of that string. That's pretty cool there. Waste not, want not, isn't it? Something like that. I have to move the ladder down. Well, I know I said I was going to pause the video, but we're just going to kind of speed it up through this process. Figured out a little better way to do the wire. That looks a little neater down there than what this is. We'll redo this one. One of the things I noticed on the ends here, it has little caps to keep the moisture out of there. So that's a good thing there. So if you're not going to plug in another cord, you just put that cap on there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. Keep some moisture out of it. There we go. Looks like this end has one too, on the male end. It's got something. Okay. It's fuses. So I guess these lights have fuses in them. That's a good thing. There's your specs on it. Bulb spacing is 10 foot. That's good. It says replace the fuse as per the user servicing instructions. Follow the product marking for proper fuse rating. And check the product. If the replacement fuse blows, a short circuit may be present and the product should be discarded. So yeah, the lights have a fuse in them. That's cool. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and get an extension cord and plug it in while it's still daylight, and I'll check back with y'all in about a split second. All right, we got the lights going. I got it plugged into a little charger down there. It is bright in here. I know the camera doesn't really show it real well, but it's dark out there. It does a really good job. I'll go outside and show you from the outside looking in so you can see a little better. As you can tell here, it lights it up really well. All right, well, as you can see, it lights it up really well. It's 10,000 lumens, 50 foot, 90 watt power. And they are IP65, so I am really happy with these. It lights it up really well. If you'd like to get yourself some of these lights, I'm going to put a link down there in the description where you can order your own. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, I think these lights do a great job. It's cold out here, so I'm going to get back in the house. I appreciate y'all watching. And I am an Amazon associate. So any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.